Hello little artist, welcome for this canvas painting kit. So here the kit includes paints, some prints for your reference, and one mini canvas board, and here's a guidebook how you can do step-by-step painting, and one easel stand and a paintbrush. So let's get started. First thing, we will do a graph on a print, whichever you want to do. You can choose your favorite print from this 3-1, or you can also create your own design. After making this graph on the print, similar graph we will make it on a canvas board as well as. This will help us to get the perfect drawing. And try to use pencil very lightly. So we have created 16 equal parts, and now box to box we will start doing sketching of a butterfly. After getting the perfect shape of butterfly, we will start filling the details. Now time to paint. For the painting, you can choose any color of your choice, as the butterflies are always colorful and beautiful. So I'm starting with the red color in my wings. Here, a small tip: you can dip your brush into the water and just dry it and then dip directly into the paint. Do not add too much water in your paint. You can directly use your paint on camera. Here I am adding another paint. You can paint your butterfly with any color of your choice. We have given 6 different shades in the box. Now I'm taking some cool colors, violet and blues for my backgrounds, and giving some touch of green to make it look more brighter and beautiful. So after painting completely, you can use any of your sketch pen or markers for the outline and enhance it more. So all the detailing, I'm just doing an outline. This is absolutely optional. Giving some dots with other marker. And ta-da! Our canvas painting is ready to go on our desk. So do let me know in comment how did you like this one. Thank you so much for watching.